Signal light flashes when relay is not relayed, or fails. Connect wireless, AC_to grams or wireless, AC_5 grams. The enter repeater.net into the login page. The login password is admin. After logging in successful, click Wizard, select wireless repeater mode. Select SIT to be relayed, and enter the password of SIT to be relayed. After successful relay, signal light is always on. After connecting to the relay, the password input when the relay password. Finally, visit boo.com, browse the web successfully, you can surf the internet.